Doon na, nagpartarpulin pa rin ng SBBI Bayawan. Igastuan yun. Balabiga. To Dumatol. Dumatol, the veterans rule. Tira niya, tinira niya, no good. Rebound by Limwell. Inocencio. Mike. To Ray. No good. Kapikan ng bola. Rebound SBBI Bayawan. Kajulong. To Palabiga. Elbow jumper. Is good for Chibon. Tuala. Medyo dili kagawa sa kanila pulang tubig gym. Limwell. 2-pointer of the night. No good. Rebound by Mike. Rich is good. Foul on number 23. Guevara. Points up by Briggs. No good. Second throw is no good as well. Gula sa Team Bayawan. Let us all acknowledge our total audience of the night, 928,822. Bali naghanang itong audience abot sa 5th floor at ang audience mga kaibigan mga igala para to witness the championship game of the Pilsa Builders Incorporated Sports Fest 2023. Rebound by Dumatol, off the board, Tiranya, tinira niya is good for Chibon. It finished in 43 seconds, 4-0 in favor of SBBI Bayawan. Thomas Angelo ang crush ng bayan to Limwell. Elbow jumper is no good as well. To Mike, 1-2, Orang audience na mag-away ang nilang lahutay. Dili palupig ang main audience, di pa palupig ang SBBI Bayawan. Ito na, main audience na. Go Pilsa down. Inocencio. Limwell for 3. 1, 2, 3 points on Limwell. Flores. Rebound Inocencio. Out of score 5 in favor of Main Office. Limwell again. Paramount moves. And a foul on number 1, Dumatol. Warning number 6, SBBI Bayawan. Ayaw kalimot, kinintanan lingaw-lingaw lang, likay ang mapiyang mga kaigsunan. Sport na natuwa. Foul on number 9, Kadungo. Pushing foul. Lingaw-lingaw lang tanan, likay ang mga piyang kung makasakit sa ating mga kaigsunan. Inocencio. Ito na, singgit dito, singgit diri. Singgit diri, singgit dito. Muna, audience impact sa ato both teams, mga supporters, Dumatol. Rebound by Mike. Limwell to Inocencio. 2 versus 1. And basket count. Foul number 23. Number 6. 11, number 11, Palabiga. 14 fouls. Inocencio, crush ng bayan. Good for 2 points. Kadungog. Elbow jumper. Rebound Dumatol. Tiranya, tinira niya. Good for 2 points. Torres to Inocencio. Nice shot clock, 15 to shoot. Flores, no good. Mike, follow up, no good. Tapikan ng bola, Mike again. Using the body. O nanghipos ng kantin. Wala man ang malandulaon niya ng paghipos. Tumatol, tutira niya, tinira niya. And the jumper is no good. Tabi ka ng bola sa aire. Back to Inocencio. Inocencio 2 versus 3. Diretso and good for Sudan. So Tumatol, dribbling the ball, looking for companion. Palabika. Padungog. So good. Gibala. Palabika, elbow jumper is good for Sudan. Unya, Rasos, wala pa na manandula. Napay mo palit. Bugnaw kayo na San Miguel Blue. 15 to shoot. Limwell. Using the body. Projected by Tananga. Simon. Yes, BBI by 1 and a second set na board.